Assalamu alaikum students, it's lecture number 42. This video is for subject English of grade 4 and today's topic is noun formation from verbs. So today we're going to learn this topic. It's again on your junior English book. In the junior English book, this topic is basically on page number 15. You can open in front of you. So noun formation for from verbs, basically by mistake I've written noun over here. Noun formation from verbs. So it's written a wide variety of verbs can be changed to noun with the addition of suffixes. Suffixes are the letters that we add after a word to add something more to it. So there are three ways to change a verb to a noun. So as it's written, a wide variety of verbs can be changed to noun. So just see how a verb can be changed into a noun. So these kind of nouns are called abstract nouns that are formed from verbs or adjectives. These kind of nouns are called abstract nouns. So there are three ways to change a verb to a noun. The first one is add ans or ens to verb. A wide variety of verbs can be changed to nouns with the addition of suffixes like ens or ans. For example, the word appear, if you see over here in the example, the word appear can become appearance. The verb resist can become resistance. Now here appearance and resistance, they both are nouns now. Fine. Appearance means the outlook of something, or the outlook of something. So appearance means appearance is basically a noun. It's a noun, and appear is a verb. Understand? So the second, these are basically abstract nouns are basically the names of meaning, feelings, and what we say, the ideas and all that. So the first way to change a verb into a noun, it can be adding, it can become noun by just adding ans or ans to the verb, ance or ence. And two examples are also there, appearance or resistance. So if I make a sentence with these two words which we have just formed, for example, he appeared on many talk shows while promoting his book. So here appeared is a verb that he appeared on many talk shows. Here it's a verb, it's an action. So if you want to change the verb to a noun, you could say he made many talk show appearances while promoting his books. He made talk show appearances. So here appearances are now worked as noun in this sentence. So this is how we do. The second, what we say, the way of changing or forming a verb from a noun from a verb is add meant to verbs. Fine. So other verb requires meant to be converted to noun. For example, it's written appoint, assign, or enjoy. So they can become appointment, assignment, and enjoyment. So here appointment, assignment, and enjoyment are all nouns. For example, the man enjoyed his lunch. Fine. If you want to change the verb to noun, you could say the man's lunch brought him enjoyment. So you see, by just changing a sentence, we can just put the what we say, verb as a noun. So the third way of forming a noun is add shun or shun to the tion or sion to the verbs. Like for example, inform, decide, and describe can become information, decision, and description. Understand? So this is how we can create a noun from a verb. Now the example is he decided to decline the job offer. He made the decision. So now here decision is an idea. So that's why it's a noun. He made the decision to decline the job offer. So this is how we form nouns from different verbs. So now if you see on your junior English page number 15, you can open in front of you. Here's a good list of nouns and then their formation. And it's written a noun here. All are abstract nouns. They are names of feelings and ideas. So if you see, it's written abolish, abolition,